YouTube, what you gonna say? Am I distorting? Nobody here but me. Let's see if I can get a feedback. Oh, it's way way distortion. I can hang it up. Oh, terrible. Yeah, that's bad. Maybe if I turn down everything. Let's try to turn the volume down on everything. Volume goes. This one don't matter because it's not coming out of here. Volume down on everything. Except for the output. Volume down on everything except for the outputs. Let's see. Get that hissing. I might want to get a nice pair of monitors, because these are actually PA. I don't think that hissing noise is the speakers. Yes, it is. I need real monitors in here. I just realized it. You hear this feedback, I mean playback. It's the beginning. It's something. I just practice. I haven't practiced in a long time, so give myself thumbs up here. I haven't practiced in a while. excellent streaming. I had a viewer a little bit ago. Just delete this and start again. Can I? Has to be highlighted. There we go. I hear distortion. You know what? It's something I can hear is that I'm not monitoring myself properly. I'm not monitoring myself properly. That's what it is. I know it's main. I'm not monitoring myself properly. Let me see something. Man, I want to see how that, if it's distorting at all. Let me see, YouTube, what you going to say? Am I distorting? Nobody here but me. See if I can get a feedback. Oh, it's way distortion. I wonder what's the problem. Hang it up. I can't just go live, that's all to it. Oh, terrible. Yeah, that's bad. Maybe if I turn down everything. Let's try to turn the volume down on everything. This thing go fast forward. Volume goes, this one don't. I'm not monitoring myself properly. No, I'm not going to be able to go live, that's all to it. I'm not going to be able to go live, y'all. Too much distortion. Sounds too bad. So, too much stuff or something. Just have to wait. Just have to wait. Just going to have to wait. I'm going to sign off and try ScreenFlow. See how that works. But, peace and love, peace and hair grease, peace and roast beef, peace and roast grief. Live long, prosper, stay safe. Delete. Too. Let me see, did I save that? No, I don't think I saved it. Yeah, I'm gonna sign off and try ScreenFlow. I'm not getting a good playback.